welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and in a week and a day, I'm having a birthday, June 24th. If any of you have been following me, a couple of years ago, I made my birthday cake on my Pit Boss pellet grill. And let me tell you, they turn out fantastic. It's one of our favorite ways to make a cake or bake a cake is on the pellet grill. So today I'm going to try doing my birthday cake on the Blackstone. Yes, it's a week ahead. I don't want to try it on my birthday because it screws up that I don't have a birthday cake. So I'm going to make it a week ahead of time. But you definitely want to tune in next Friday because I'll be telling you here in a minute, but you'll want to come back next Friday. I am doing a giveaway. We'll get into that in a minute. I'm doing this yellow cake, super moist yellow cake. Hopefully super moist will help us not burn it on the Blackstone. I have my Blackstone heating up. I want to let it heat up and maybe burn off some of the oil that's on there before we get going. But I'm going to make this in the house. I'm going to bring the pans out already ready to throw on the Blackstone. So stay tuned. I'll be right back with the cake, ready to put it on the Blackstone, and we'll get this cake going. Okay, so my Blackstone's been on long enough. It's been smoking. It looks pretty dry right now. I don't know if you've ever seen the test I did on these, but with your burners all the way low and with the dome on it, I was reading right around 350 degrees, which is where my cake needs to be. So I already went inside, got my cake mix all ready. These are 9-inch pans. Let's get them on Blackstone. All right, first thing I got to do is put my cooling rack right there. That'll bring it off the surface. I hope it's high enough. Add one of the cake pans. And the second cake pan. And then we're going to put my Blackstone rectangular dome over it. The instructions say 25 to 30 minutes, and that's where we're going to go. So let's talk about that giveaway. All right, so my cake is on the Blackstone. Fingers crossed. I set an alarm to go off in 15 minutes. I'll take a little peek, make sure we're not like totally burning it. So anyway, I talked about a giveaway. I got a MeatStickX. It's in this package. It's not open. I will open it though because I'm going to throw in some stickers and another goodie for the giveaway. I'm going to stick my ManKitchenRecipes koozie. Has the magnets on the back. Here, let me show you how this works. Right, just to show you that these magnets will hold a full soda or beer. Stick it on there, and there you go. How cool is that? Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so you're going to get a MeatStickX. That's the one that'll reach 260 feet on Bluetooth, which is great. I have other Bluetooth thermometers that work when I'm right inside that door back there, but if I go to my garage and try to get something, I lose signal. So they're good for about 25 feet, maybe 30. So you get too far away. With the MeatStickX, I can go all the way out to my mailbox. I did a video on that. I can go all the way out to my mailbox and not lose a signal. So I'm going to give one away. No, the MeatStick did not give this to me to give away. I'm giving it away. For my birthday, I'm giving you a gift. Of course, there's going to be rules to win this. And unfortunately, to my friends not in the U.S., I'm sorry, but you can't win. Patrick, Steven, Dutchie, all you guys that are out of the country, apologize, but for this giveaway, just for U.S. residents only, mainly for shipping. So that's rule number 1. Rule number 2, right now, go down and hit that like button on this video. Okay, got that done? Rule number 3, while you're down there, go hit the subscribe. Now, of course, you know, this is the honor system. If you're already subscribed, hit the like. If you're not subscribed, hit them both. There's no way for me to verify it, you know. Just, I trust that you're doing it right now. Did you hit them both? Okay. Rule number 4, 1 entry, 1 guess per viewer. I'm not going to have you put your guess like a multiple guesses in your comment. If you do, you're disqualified. And what do you have to do to win this? Well, it's going to be my birthday, and I want you to go ahead and guess how old I am. So down in the comments, whatever comment you leave, you can just leave my age that you think I'm going to be. So if you think I'm going to be 29, like me, you put hashtag 29. If you think I'm 39, put hashtag 39. Hopefully that makes sense. Put the hashtag and the age you think I'm going to be in the comments below. Next Friday, I'll give you until midnight Mountain Standard Time on June 23rd. On Friday, June 24th, I'll take everybody that guessed the proper age, my right age, and if there's more than one, I think I'm just going to draw them out of a hat. I'm not going to do that fancy YouTube thing where it randomly picks, because a random pick out of a hat is the same thing. And who knows? There could be 50 of you guessing properly or correctly, or there could be one. If there's none, well, guess what? I guess I'll have another meat stick. I'm sure somebody will guess my age anyway. So I'm just going to have a little fun with this while my cake is baking. Think about how old I might be. No cheating, meaning no Googling. Just guess my age, put it down in the comments, and those of you that guess right, we'll pick a winner. All right, how's that sound? So there's rules. U.S. resident, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and only one guess per comment. If you guess more than that, even if you do, oh, I don't know, you're 29 or 30. Too many, one too many, you're disqualified. So just put in one hashtag with the age, and hopefully we'll get some winners. All right, I'll be back after this cake is ready, and we'll go from there. 12 minutes, let's give a quick peek. Ooh, they're looking good so far. We'll check them again here in a few minutes. It's only been 18 minutes. I see they're getting a little dark right around here. They look like they're done. That's coming out clean. Looks like they're done. They're coming out, toothpick is coming out completely clean. Okay, I'm gonna take these off and let them cool. Look at that. My side burner actually works as a shelf too. All right, get these off, let them cool, and we'll put this cake together. Oh man, look at that. Okay, these have been cooling for about 30 minutes. They separate a little bit, so let's see if these will come out of the pan. There you go, look at that. Pretty clean. Let's move it to the side and see if we can get the other one to come out of there. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? We'll just flip this baby over and see if it comes out like the other one, and there we go. It has these dark spots, but that's all right. I think that's where they were touching on the griddle. They're not burnt, they're just darker brown. So yeah, I think it's a success so far anyway. There you go. All right, there's the sides, nice and golden brown. All right, and I have a Hershey's frosting. I got the smaller can. I don't like a lot of frosting, so if you do, get the taller can. And you just want to put some in between the two rounds. Set the other one right here on top. And finish it up with the frosting. I always do the top first, and then I go around on the sides. And make sure your frosting is nice and warm so it'll spread, and there you go. Look at that. Looks like a cake you'd make in the house, right? Man, look at that. All right, now we gotta see if it'll cut. Well, went down pretty smooth. All right, well, that did pretty darn good. Look at that. I think the only thing different I'd do next time is maybe just take it off at either probably about 15 minutes. It was probably done. So I did use the super moist, and it looks pretty good. Look at that with some a la mode. Let's taste it. All right, what do you think of that? My birthday cake cooked on the Blackstone Griddle. It turned out amazing. Well, it looks amazing. Let's give it a taste. Seems to be moist. There you go. This is really, really good. Tastes like a cake you'd bake in the oven. All right, so let's have some fun. Guess my age. Hashtag my age in the comments below. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment with my age. Hashtag my age. You heard the rules. Let's have some fun. Thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing all the guesses. And we'll have a winner on Friday the 24th, 2022. Don't forget to come back, see if you won. We'll see you on the next video.